Have you ever spent hours perfecting a design in Canva only to realize you accidentally deleted something important? Don't worry, there's a simple way to go back in time and recover your previous work. Today, I'll show you exactly how to restore a previous version in Canva so you never lose your progress again. First, open the design you want to fix. At the top menu, click on File, then select Version History. On the right-hand side, you'll see a list of all the saved versions of your design, complete with timestamps. Canva automatically saves your work, so you don't need to worry about losing anything. Next, scroll through the versions and find the one you want to bring back. You can click on each version to preview it, which makes it easy to find the exact version you need. Once you've found it, simply hit Restore this version. Instantly, your design will revert to that earlier state. If you're not ready to overwrite your current design, there's a safe alternative. You can make a copy of the older version instead of restoring it. This way, you can keep your latest changes while also having the older version saved separately. And that's it. With this simple trick, you can experiment freely in Canva, knowing that every previous version is just a few clicks away. So the next time you make a mistake or change your mind, restoring your design is easier than ever.